So we're over at Summit Church now, Thursday. Still cold even though it's lunchtime right now. The guys started pouring this morning at 3 o'clock. With the cold weather, they're just now actually getting up onto the slab. See our head finishers over there working the edges right now. We've got our first machine onto the slab, opening it up in preparation for the other finish operations. Unfortunately, looks like they're going to be in for a long night. The last step for us at Summit Church. We've held off the slab till the end in order to keep it in pristine condition. And right now, looks like they have plenty of time to work it. Staying well ahead of it. We've got our equipment lined up, ready to go. So our machines are ready to be set onto the slab. We're utilizing our skid steer loader with the landscaping implement for putting them on as needed. Right now that's only one. Before we're done, all four will be on there. We'll be polishing this slab with plastic blades to achieve a very, very nice finish. Saw cutting operation, which will be the last step on this slab. We use an early entry soft cut saw. It's going to be late, but still attempt to do it same day. We got our man G cleaning up the tools a little bit right there. He's usually the one on the saw. He's been here since 2:30 this morning, maybe 2:30 tonight. But we hope for better.